Campaigns. Chat campaigns allow you to send personalised messages to a large number of users and give you visibility to ensure your message was read. Campaigns can be found in the dashboard under the Engagement tab. To start a new campaign, click on Add Campaign. Select the group or location you want to contact and, if relevant, choose the segment. If you want, you can choose to anonymise responses to the campaign. Click Next. Write a title, choose the sender of the campaign and write your message. Use the first name placeholder so your colleagues will receive a personalised message. If you like, you can request a read confirmation, so your colleagues will be asked to confirm that they've read the message. Click Next and decide whether to send the message immediately or schedule it for the future. Review the message one last time, then click Send. Once you're back on the main campaigns page, click on your message to see the report. The report highlights who read or replied to your message and allows you to follow up with users who didn't read the message.
Instead of setting up a campaign from scratch every time, you're able to clone a previous campaign and then make changes to it. Click the gear icon next to the campaign that you want to clone. Click Clone Campaign. Click on the cloned campaign to edit it.